Welcome to the gym. I'm ready to help you reach your fitness goals, so let's jump right into the workout. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Exercise number 1. Welcome to this new workout video on our fitness channel. In today's routine, we will focus on ab exercises for just 10 minutes. Start by lying on your back, then slowly lift your legs while keeping your back straight. Repeat the movement 10 times and remember to breathe regularly. Consistency is more important than perfection. Practice these exercises daily and you'll notice results within a few weeks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more workouts and fitness tips. Exercise number 2.